to me. I've waited and waited.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I go by the name Life of Nema. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, or if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you're watching this channel for the first time, thank you so much for clicking this video, and kindly subscribe. A minute for you to subscribe. Okay, I hope you've subscribed, guys. If you're watching my videos na kama bado just subscribe, and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Let's get to 200 subscribers before the year comes to an end. Actually, tumebakisha like, let us say 3 weeks, I think 2 weeks. So I want to start a vlogmass series or episode. So I want to record 2 days or 3 days. That will be vlogmass episode 1. Let me set this one here. That will be vlogmass episode 1. So basically today it's on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 13th, 14th, 15th. The video is going to go up on 15th on Sunday. So I'll record for today, tomorrow, and maybe Sunday kama mchana, then edit and post the video. That will be vlogmass episode 1. Then Tuesday, then next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday part. Then I upload it. Like I want to have like 5 or 6 episodes of vlogmass. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I hope you're enjoying your festive season, and also you're taking care of yourself, and you're spending time with your loved ones, your friends. Like I hope you are having a good time, but also don't forget to take care of yourself. So let's get into this. I hope you're going to love these videos. Bye bye.
Someone I never seen, but I'm so sentimental, so hopeful you'll be here. So here I am, every year, every Christmas.
So I just joined there, guys. I had traveled to school, then to Nairobi. Then when I was at Nairobi, I bought some hair clips from Ponabasi. Yeah, from this, you can see it, camera like may change, but inaitwa Ponabasi. They feel very cute hair clips. So I promised her that I'm going to do a video, then tag her on TikTok and Instagram. So I want to unbox it, create a reel for Instagram. You can't always, but I want to try create a reel for Instagram, then bado tulienda ni post TikTok. So yeah, then wait, I also bring something like when I was away, my mom bought them for me. Yes, it's Christmas. So my mom bought these shoes for me. Okay, love them. Like when I'm done, guys, they're so cute. You see, like that's how they look like. Cute, right? So these ones. Then these are nice like a box. Then there's these ones, white. They're just to dogo. See, at heels. So these white ones, and then my shoes. But I love the black ones. The black ones are my favorite. Yeah, guys. So let me nifanye hiyo reel. Okay, hope nitaweza. Then me post. Then I continue with today's errands. Yeah, we're going to catch up with you guys later.
Many unbearable hours later.
So Leila me cansó esa vez,
snow. Let it snow, babe. Now, sugar, I wish for you in my.
The next day.
Today it's the next day and currently nimekuja soko. Today it's on a Saturday 14th. Nimekuja soko. These are some of the things zenye tumenunua, so tunangoja kufanywa hesabu, then we leave. Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So asubuhi nilienda soko, sasa naenda party. Yeah, and this is my outfit. This is my outfit.
The next day.
Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. It's the next day. Actually, it's on a Monday and I want to close the vlog as I start another one. I'm going to upload this one tomorrow. Yeah, so niliamka 5:40 nikaoga. I got ready. I'm so excited about today. You're going to see in the next vlog why I'm so excited about today. So I'm having the empty sikunyongi maziwa. Yeah, I hope you're going to love this vlogmass series episode 1. I love you. Bye.